Hi guys, what's up? In today's video, we are playing Plastic Battlegrounds. It's been a while since I've actually played this game. So yeah, today we're going to be doing the kitchen battle though. The kitchen isn't actually new, but I decided because I want to do a kitchen battle today. So yeah. So I'll come back to you when I spawn the units, but yeah. Okay guys, I might do a swipe transition here. Yay, now I'm a soldier, and, well, guys, those soldiers, I've turned lore alliances off, by the way. Okay, so those tan soldiers, the grays, there's more grays about there, and, no! Back to what I was saying, there's the blues also. Lore alliances are off. So let me, guys, it's happened! They killed him alive! Okay, let's go. Oh no! Guys, I think I'll go get the tans. Oh my god, my shotgun. My shotgun. It's been a while. Only OGs from this channel know what Plastic Battlegrounds is on the channel. Look, there's loads of. Oh, they're all getting the 10. Okay, we just jumped down. Trying to get some grays. It's very laggy right now. So. No! Our green team is dying. Great team, you will be eliminated. Okay, I can't die, So one shot the shotgun. Shotgun's really good, it's my favorite weapon. Guys, we have just spawned a minigun. Wait, did all green team die? Like, I don't really know. Oh no, I see one. Oh, no, my minigun! Come on, the minigun. We need to make it over here. I'm gonna kill all these grays. I kill the blues also. Kill them! This is like a really good weapon. Stop! We're taking over! Taking over your base, guys. Okay, I think there's more in there. Oh, you're still alive? No, not for long, though. No, how? How is it not going through you? Okay, yeah, you're dead now. Oh, you said that I kill your friend? I don't care. Come on. I'm killing you guys. Oh no, who's shooting me? Oh no. Okay, the blues are dropping down fast. We can kill all of them. Okay, hopefully there's no more. Wait, how am I being shot at? Oh, this is up. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna fly up there.
Close in.
Guys, I've turned giant. We can finally kill the blues.
I'm moving up.
Come
Come on, let's go. Enemy is close.
We're gonna kill this guy. Anyway. Guys, I found my minigun again. We can finally take down the blues. Is that all of them? Oh no, the tans are probably still there. Oh, all the tans died. Ooh. Let's jump down with our minigun. Hey, stop it! Oh no! Oh, we're being shot at. From. Stop it. Okay, stop. So we're just gonna see where this guy's aiming. He's aiming up there. So how about we just go ahead. Guys, I'm up with my minigun, and what is this guy doing? Like, he just I don't really know. I saw like a guy over there who's shooting me. You can't get me. Oh, I see that. I think he's not He is. Oh, I see a guy over there. Wait. Did the blue team win? Okay, guys. Well, I'm gonna make another battle. So, yay! So this is my base I made. So we got our ammo boxes, which we're gonna put right here. We got our gun, escape vehicle, and we've also got this car, which we're probably gonna be driving off. But yeah, these guys are gonna come alive at any time. Guys, they just come alive, and yo, look at them. Oh my god, they're all falling down. But oh my god, I thought they were gonna be there. We need to run back. This is our getaway vehicle with all of our troops died. Oh no, they're all dying. No, don't fall. No! No, our troops are dying fast. You know what? I think this is the time to use our Jeep. Oh my god. Drive our Jeep. Beep beep. Ah! Oh no. My Jeep glitched. I still drive it though. Glitchy car. Oh. I need to climb up this ladder, don't I? Okay guys, I'm back at the top. We're gonna try to ride this Jeep. We need to try and ride it. Oh no, it's not gonna work, is it? Oh my god, our troops gonna die. Oh no! They all died. Okay guys, I think this is the time to use our getaway vehicle. We got 2 of these guys left. Make it 1. Bro, I said make it 1. You don't dodging. Okay, make it 1. Yeah, so luckily this guy is not gonna like kind of do anything. I'm just gonna leave him here. I don't really care about that guy. He's so nice. You might think this is the last of them, but there's more on the floor. So guys, this is where we're gonna use our okay, he died. He dead. Who knows what happened? Oh no. Okay, let's go get this. I'm overpowered. You guys are not gonna get me. I think they're gonna get me. Okay, they're definitely gonna get me. Oh, we're going down. No, if we just drive over them, they will actually die. No, don't come back! Okay, guys, I've just come here and the ultimate duo. Let's go. For Spider-Man. The OGs of the channel know what this game is. Oh no. Come on, let's go. Ah! No! Spider-Man! You're not gonna get Spider-Man, are you? You can't shoot me. Oh, we should all go for the roof. You can't shoot me. Oh no, you can shoot me. These guys are snipers. Oh no, I'm dead. Okay, we're back here and reload it. Oh, there's like reload items now. But right here, and if you made it this far, I want an announcement to make. Can we hit 200 subs before my birthday? Like, my birthday is May 11th, and it's like March right now, so can we hit it? I think we'll be able to hit it, but yeah. So maybe we can hit it, guys. We're never gonna hit it. Like, come here! I didn't love them. Oh no, we need to kill these guys. Die! We're gonna finish it off by killing these guys. We might do one more battle and that's it. I don't really know. Come on, I know you're under here. Yes, you under here. don't know. Yeah, because you have done this, I don't know. I'm just gonna maybe just put you in the sink. No! Yeah, I'm just gonna turn small. Where's my gun? Where's my gun? Oh my god, when I get my gun, I'm gonna kill you. Yeah. Yay! And also we're gonna do a swipe transition into the next battle, and which is gonna be our last battle. Anyway. Okay, this battle is never gonna end because there's spawners, but they're gonna come alive. And this battle, if it gets out of hand though, I won't turn off the spawners. We're gonna kill these guys. Oh no, we're losing troops. Come on, we're gonna kill him. No, I'm getting hit. I'm getting hit. No, I'm dead. You hear that sound? You guys hear that sound? Yes. B-17s. They're all gonna drop on there. They're all dead. Yeah. Okay guys, I've turned off spawners and well, the tan team are dead. Bye tan team. But also we got like this Jeep over here. We can probably run them over with.
Close in.
Okay guys, we're getting in the Jeep, but yeah. Oh. Okay. Well, I guess they're all dead already. This gives me motion sickness. So I guess they're all dead. So, yeah, it might be the end of the video. I'm going to do the end of the video up there. So yeah, this is where I'm going to end the video. Wait, what's that sound? Oh no, there's bombing run. No! No, oh my god, no! 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 Like and subscribe. And if you want to see more Let's Say Battlegrounds content, then yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. And I hope you liked this video. Anyway, bye-bye guys.